It's twisting up on me and I have to drill for the new Hey guys, welcome back. Today I think we're gonna come back to the pillar and do some more filling. Turn you around here. You can see we got some holes needing plugged up and just stuff gone over better. Probably not gonna do it the way I was doing it, and I'll just fill in piece by piece all the way down. Probably take this off the Bronco and put it on the bench. It's a lot easier to do that way, and I can get my seam a lot more straight. Then when it's on the Bronco, it pulls that when I screw the Bronco piece out more. I'm not wanting kind of weird bumps in it, so probably pull it off, put it on the bench, and just did a bunch of welding today. I do want to say thank you all for those who were able to attend the other day. Had a good time. Wish the computer would have worked because it'd been a lot better. It's the first time I ever did a live stream, and I can catch y'all's comments every now and then they just fade away, and I had to touch the comment thing to have it come back up just for a couple of seconds. So if I missed any of y'all's comments, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It's just on the phone, it's kind of weird. On the computer, it'd been a lot better. I think the comments would have stayed up, and I could have seen them all. But I had fun. I could do it again. I was thinking maybe a monthly thing or even a weekly thing if y'all would like that. But it's nice just to be out in the garage, but not actually, do anything to the Bronco. Just talk about stuff and just answer questions and such. But that night did get kind of bad. I don't know if but about, I'd say 30-40 miles north of us, I think a tornado went through. That night it was raining so hard I couldn't see my neighbor's house from here, and usually you can see our house pretty easy. Actually couldn't really see the tree in the front yard, but I think we got another round of those coming tonight or tomorrow. Anyways, it's supposed to be raining right now, storming, but for some reason it's not. So we're gonna get back on the pillar, start welding up. I'll be out here very long again. Like I said, I'm getting here before work. Another thing, Kevin, please put that phrase I gave you in the email. Let me know if you got it. Put it in the comment from 4/29 Friday underneath your comment, and then email me your mailing address, and I'll get those items shipped out to you. But as soon as I get them, I'm gonna try to get at least the hat done today. She should have my template there, and I can get it pressed. Stickers, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take her to do those. It shouldn't take her very long, but as soon as I get those, I'll show y'all what they look like and what the hat looks like, and then I'll give them out to you. But just need you to do that real quick. That way I can verify it's you. So I got a pretty good idea that is you from the live that you sent me an email right after you won. So just need to know where you live. But anyways, enough chit chat. Let's pull this pillar off, and we'll start welding it again. Well, we got more of it done today. And fill the holes. Pretty big holes are up here. Need to get that level. Anyways, next time, probably finish this out, hopefully. And get it all smoothish. What I'm concerned with now is it's twisting up on me, and I have to drill for the new this over here. We'll deal with that. May have to get new ones. I don't know. At least we got a little bit more done today. Like I said, I gotta get to work. Thank you for watching me make it this far. Just kind of welding up this pillar until we get some shims in, and then we'll go back to that, which we may look at that next time too, the door again, and kind of start trying to fit it a little bit, but I need my shims, so we may go back and look at that while we're filling this up. May have to buy a new pillar because I got off. Now there's like a valley between where the welds go for the, I guess, the braces between the two pillars, or to the front and back. So I had to work something out there. I had to thicken up that plate a little bit to get it to work, but we'll mess with that when it comes to it. Just want to say thank you again to everybody that could stop by and hang out. Camera died, so I'm on my phone now. But just want to say thank you to everybody that could stop by and hang out Monday for a little bit. I'd like to do that again soon. I don't know, might try once a month type thing, if y'all want to do that or not. But I feel like these doors are taking forever getting them all fit. That way we can weld up everything. Got shims coming. Like I said, they're stuck somewhere, I don't know where. But we'll get back to driver's side here, hopefully relatively soon. I like to finish welding up. Well, you can come over here and weld that up too. Need to weld this up. I think I got used to using that little copper backing plate thing, so I may weld up that bottom inner rocker. Like I said, I may try to take this to a car show, the Bronco trailer at there, of course. It's being my hometown, and it's the first car show, and I like to have something in it. And can't drive the Camaro because the window's busted. And I could trailer this there and see if they have a work in progress class. If not, I'd just like to take it and show it. So we'll keep on the Bronco, keep going, and hopefully get somewhere this year. Thank you for made it this far, and I'll see you next time.